Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the DraftSeal. This is their part number DS17BL. This is a piece of replacement TPE, thermoplastic elastomer. That's thermoplastic elastomer. Insert for the DS176N stop strip is what it is. This is a piece of black replacement insert for that 176N from DraftSeal. I'm pulling up the item itself. I'd like to take a look at it. The part number that you'll be using to search is the stop strip that it goes into is the DS176AT. That's the parent item that the aluminum extrusion receives this item. Okay, now, classic question. I'm not sure if it's going to fit. Do you think it'll fit? Maybe. The problem is every manufacturer has a different profile. Every dimensional property, down to the thousandth of an inch, is different. Stop strips, they're all fairly common, but if you were off 10,000ths of an inch, I don't think it would work. Or I should say, I would count on it not working. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. The width of the backer is 0.261, right between my fingers. The thickness of the backer, without trying to compress it naturally, 0.034, 0.034. About 0.050 distance. Well, you know what? It really needs to be more than that. An educated guess tells me it's about 0.075, right in this area here, that you can count on. I mean, it doesn't look it's quite small indeed. Then the overall projection of the material, back, front to back, I'd say it's about 0.385. Overall, 0.385. So hopefully, and it would install in this sort of orientation with the plastic or with the TPE material up, so that when the door closes, it pushes this way and not down like that. Okay. Will this work? I hope so. It may. It very likely will. Can you force it to go in? You probably can, to a certain extent. If you don't know that you have a DraftSeal stop seal, it is indeed guesswork. And there's many manufacturers. We deal with 6 major manufacturers that could all field a stop strip that will look not unlike that one. Although if your dimensional properties of your stop strip are exactly that, that seems a bit thicker than what I'm accustomed to seeing. So you might be successful in that regard. But this is the replacement only. It's listed in the site in different lengths, like 2 foot to 8 foot. You can order it in any size that you want, meaning if you needed 100 feet, you could order 20 5-foot lengths and just indicate in the comment field, ship this as a continuous roll at 100 feet in length is what I would end up doing. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the DraftSeal products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's catalog, as well as a link to the manufacturer's website. But the catalogs are there for both commercial and residential, and then some back issues of the product catalog. If you have more than an occasional need of weather stripping, I would certainly recommend that you familiarize yourself with their product line, because they have some items, especially in the residential market, that no one else has. They have some adjustable top thresholds that simply I've never seen from another manufacturer, so they may have a solution for you. Any questions on the DraftSeal? DST17BL, and BL stands for black, by the way, which is what that color is, what the ad item comes in. And this happens to be a 60-inch length. The client needed a 5-foot piece, and there you go. That's how it'll show up to you. Any questions on the DST17BL replacement thermoplastic elastomer insert or any other DraftSeal product? Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.